The benefits of Nexar can be encapsulated by our value proposition, which it can be summarized by sort of three strands, being efficiency, compliance, and safety. We've worked with some significant customers in our space, and we've developed kind of a deep sector expertise, and I think that is what stands us in good stead. And most of our customers actually prefer pricing on a per operating asset or location model. Others prefer a per user model, and we're flexible to meet our customers' needs, what their preferences are. We operate a number of pricing models. At the core of it is the importance that our customers get value from using Nexar.